Welcome to the Google Analytics Segments Guide, a powerful tool that helps you analyze specific groups of users and understand their behavior on your website. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and using segments in Google Analytics. First, let's define what a segment is. A segment is a subset of your website data that is defined by specific criteria, such as location, device, or behavior. By applying segments, you can isolate specific groups of users and analyze their behavior, allowing you to gain deeper insights into your website's performance. To create a segment, navigate to the Reporting tab in Google Analytics and click on the Segments drop-down menu. Here, you will see a list of predefined segments, such as all users, paid traffic, and organic traffic. You can also create a new segment by clicking on the New Segment button. When creating a segment, you will need to define the criteria that will be used to include or exclude users. For example, you can create a segment for users who have made a purchase, or for users who have visited a specific page on your website. You can also use demographic criteria, such as age, location, or language. Once you have created a segment, you can apply it to any report in Google Analytics. This will allow you to see the data for the specific group of users that you have defined. For example, if you want to see the conversion rate for users who have made a purchase, you can apply the purchasers segment to the conversions report. Using segments can help you to identify trends and patterns in your data that may not be immediately apparent. For example, you may find that users from a specific country have a higher conversion rate than users from other countries. By analyzing this data, you can refine your marketing strategy to target users in that country. Best practices for using segments include creating segments that are specific and well-defined, and applying them to multiple reports to gain a deeper understanding of your data. It's also important to regularly review and update your segments to ensure that they remain relevant and accurate. In conclusion, segments are a powerful tool in Google Analytics that can help you to gain deeper insights into your website's performance. By creating and applying segments, you can analyze specific groups of users and understand their behavior, allowing you to refine your marketing strategy and improve your website's performance.